Welcome. Today I am with Xiaomi Mi Sport Bluetooth earphones, and today I'll show you how you can connect them with your iPhone. So at first we have to go for the settings of the iPhone, tap on the Bluetooth, enable Bluetooth by tapping on switcher, and next we have to grab our Mi Sport Bluetooth, just like that, and then click and hold that button to move them into the pairing mode and to turn them on. And you have to take a look here because you will find the white indicator. So click and hold right now for a few seconds, keep holding. As you can see, the indicator is blinking here, so we can release that key. And right now we'll find Mi Sport Bluetooth in this place, so we have to tap on them once. And as you can see right now, they are successfully connected. When you click here, you can check information about this device. Basically there's nothing interesting here. We can only go for the device type and then select that we have here the headphones, and then just go back. And just to show you that it really works, I'm going to play some no copyright music on the YouTube. So let me just do this right now, and I'm going to put the earphones to the microphone to let you know that everything is fine and the connection is working. So let me just turn the volume, and also on the earphones, and I hope that you are going to hear that sound. Yeah, I think that you can hear it. So as you can see, that's how we can connect Xiaomi Mi Sport Bluetooth earphones to iPhone. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.